This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 87. Stability feels boring before it feels powerful. Why nothing happening is a good sign. After survival, after pressure, after urgency, stability can feel empty. No adrenaline, no push, no crisis to solve. The system is no longer reacting, and the mind asks, is this it? But boredom is not a failure signal. It is a transition signal. When the nervous system stabilizes, it stops producing urgency-based stimulation. No threat, no chase, no emergency meaning. At first, this feels flat, because the body was used to intensity as proof of progress. But stability is where power consolidates. Patterns lock in, skills become automatic, energy stops leaking. Nothing dramatic is happening because nothing needs fixing. This is where real capacity is built. Not through spikes, but through steadiness. Boredom is simply the absence of chaos, not the absence of growth. If things feel quiet now, if days feel similar, if nothing demands you, you are not stuck, you are stabilizing. And stability always comes before strength is felt. Calm before confidence. Quiet before capacity. Next episode. What replaces excitement when the system matures? Thank you.